Hello friends, welcome to Nodejs tutorial. My name is Jagdish. Today in this video we will learn about middleware. Middleware only use with routes. With the help of middleware we can access, modify, request and response. Middleware used for block application for some region and verify data you enter by user. Let's see one example. I am create here one route app.get. This is home route, request and response, arrow function, response dot send, welcome to home page. After that I am create another route, help, request and response, arrow function, response dot send, welcome to help page. Save this and firstly run this application. Node index.js. Open browser and open port 7000. We got the welcome to home page, first route home and another is help. Okay, after that I am simply apply here middleware const request filter equals to request response and next. After that arrow function I am write here if condition request dot query dot age response dot send, please enter your age. Else function next. After that app dot use request filter. Save this application and run node index.js. After that open browser, refreshes, we got the please enter your age. Here I am write age equals to 10 and press enter. Simply save this application again and run node index.js. Open browser. Here we got the please enter your age. Here I'm write age equals to 10. Then we got the home route. Welcome to home page. In this way we can use middleware in our application. Like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.